Good morning, students. This video consists the class 11 trigonometry, and I have taken the book Understanding ISC Mathematics by M.L. Agrawal. Exercise 3.6 continuation, because in the previous video I have explained about the formulae of this exercise. So there are some more questions that I want to tell you, like question number 10, 11 and others question also. In 10 and 11 there are the questions given in the multiplication, like question number 10, sine, prove that sine 10 degree, sine 50, sine 70 is equal to 1 upon 8. You have to show. How to show? First of all, I said in the earlier video that if you want to use the formula 2 sin A sin B, so A is greater than B. But here this is the 10 degree, 50 degree, 70 degree in the increasing, that should be in decreasing order. So left hand side improve sine 70 degree, sine 50 degree and sine 10 degree. There is no change in the question, only form is changed. मतलब इसको इधर लिख दिया, इसको चाहे 2 into 3 or 3 into 2, both are same. Now multiply and divide this by 2. इस तरह से कर सकते हैं. तो 1 by 2 and then 2 sine 70 and write two values in one bracket and sine 10 write in the outside the bracket. This is cancelled, means the question is not changed, only the form is, and you can use the formula 2 sine A sine B. What is the formula? Cos, I told you this is A minus B, cos A plus B. In this you will put the value. So it will be 1 by 2 cos A plus B, A minus B minus cos 70 plus 50 bracket close sine 10 degree, and then simplify cos 20 degree, use the bracket, minus 120 degree into sine 10, and then put the value of cos 120 degree. Cos 120 degree is equal to, if you find cos 20, don't put cos 120 because it is the standard angle. So you can put that is equal to minus 1 by 2. मतलब ये होती है value into sine 10. And then this 1 by 2 and sine 10 you multiply in all. So 1 by 2 cos 20 sine 10, one bracket, minus minus plus 1 by 4 sine 10. This multiply this 1 by 2 here and sine 10 also. Again you can use the formula 2 cos A sine B, क्योंकि यहाँ पे cos और A is greater than B, तो you can use. But before that you have to multiply and divide by the 2. So it will be 1 by 4 and in the bracket 2 cos 20 sine 10 plus 1 by 4 sine 10. Write as it is. And now 1 by 4 2 cos A sine B is equal to cos 2 cos A sine B sine A plus B means 20 plus 10 minus sine A minus B means 20 minus 10 and then plus 1 by 4 sine 10. as you know, this value is sin 30 and sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 minus sin 10. You can write plus 1 by 4 sin 10. This 1 by 4 again multiply in the bracket. So it will be 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4 sin 10 sin 10. This is cancelled and the answer is 1 by 8, that is equal to right hand side. So by this way you can find the value. Now the other questions in which you have to apply the formula, the same type of formula, like 13, 14, 15, these are also the same type. So here question number 14, 4 sin x, prove that 4 sin x sin pi by 3 minus x into sin pi by 3 plus x is equal to sin 3x. Question number 14, first part. So the second part also the same. How to prove this question? Prove that. Again I said that you have to use, if the in multiplication you can use the formula 2 sin a sin b, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सब sin है. तो in which two trigonometry, two terms you will apply the formula? This is sin ये sin ये. तो in these two, because these are the uniform, अगर प्लस करेंगे माइनस करेंगे तो something will be cancelled, and this sin x you write as it is. तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, अब 2 जरूरत है तो इस 4 से हम 2 निकाल सकते हैं. तो 2 sin x you write in 1 and then write 2 sin. This term write the first. There is no change in the question, only the, because I told the a is greater than b. Now apply the formula 2 sin a sin b, just I have given in the previous question. So 2 sin x, 2 sin a sin b is equal to cos a minus b, मतलब pi by 3 plus x minus pi by 3 plus x, and minus cos a plus b, pi by 3 plus x plus pi by 3 minus x, big bracket. Then cancel out which term cancelled, like pi by 3, x and x. So what you will get? Cos 2x minus cos 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. Do you know the value of cos 2 pi by 3? This is cos 120 degree. Sin x you can multiply again, so it will be 2 cos 2x sin x minus 2 sin x cos 120 degree, because 2 pi by 3 means 120 degree. Now apply again 2 cos a sin b. So 2 cos a sin b means sin a minus b minus sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. 2 cos a sin b is equal to sin a plus b minus sin a minus b, और ये पार्ट minus 2 sin x into cos 120 means minus 1 by 2. Now simplify, so it will be sin 3x minus sin x and minus minus plus 2 cancel plus sin x. Can you say it is equal to right hand side, sin 3x. So you can do the simplest way if you know the formula. So do practice from the formula and you will get the solution. More questions are there. in which you have to apply the formulae, the same type formulae. For example, question number 16, sin x plus sin y upon sin x minus sin y. Prove that sin x plus sin y, sin x minus sin y is equal to tan x plus y by 2 into cot x minus y by 2, and then show that prove that this is equal to that. How to show? Using the formula of sin c plus sin d, sin c minus sin d. So in the left hand side use the formula sin c plus sin d and sin c minus sin d. So what is the sin c plus sin d? This is 2 sin c plus d x plus y by 2 and cos x minus y by 2. This is the formula of the numerator, and the denominator just write the cos, start from cos and sin x minus y by 2. So 2 cancel, sin x plus y by 2 upon cos x plus y by 2 means tan x plus y by 2. This is the first bracket. Cos x minus y by 2, sin x minus y by 2, obviously it will be cot x minus y by 2. So this is the question answer. Next one, if you have the question like 18, if cos x plus cos y is equal to 1 by 3, sin x plus sin y is equal to 1 by 4, prove that tan x plus y by 2 is equal to 3 by 4. This you have to show. How to show? This is the equation 1, this is the equation 2. Directly use the formula of cos c plus cos d. So cos c plus cos d means 2 cos x plus y by 2 and cos x minus y by 2 is equal to 1 by 3. Apply the formula of sin c plus sin d here in that equation, and 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Equation number 2. From this equation the equation number 1, from this equation the equation number 2. Now if you see what you have to prove, tan x plus y by 2 is equal to 3 by 4. It means you have to divide these two equations to get this one. क्योंकि अगर हम divide करेंगे, we divide equation 1 by 2, तो what you will get? ये divide किए अगर मान लें तो this cos x minus y by 2, cos x minus will be cancelled and 2 cancelled, and cos x plus y by 2, sin x plus y by 2. What you will get? The cot x plus y by 2 is equal to 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3. It is 4 by 3 क्योंकि 4 ऊपर जाएगा, 4 by 3. But you asking the tan x plus y by 2 to take the reciprocal, because cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So it will be tan x plus y by 2 is equal to, if you take the reciprocal here, then here also 3 by 4. This is the answer. Or directly if you want to get, so divide the equation 2 by equation 1. मतलब इसको ऊपर लिखे, इसको नीचे लिखे, तो you will not take the reciprocal. Afterwards you will get directly the tan x plus y by 2 is equal to 3 by 4. And then in other questions, last question, you have to apply the componendo and dividendo, and I have told in the exercise 3.5 such type of questions. तो ये जो exercise है इसे करना है, you have to do in your fair copy and learn the formula. Also you write the formula in one place before the chapter. Just before the chapter you write the formula, and then you will means that the solution of the questions will be easy, because you can see the formula also, and when you do the question then you write the formula in the appropriate place in the site you have to write. Okay, thank you, all the best.